Hello, I Dr. Vijay Chandra Jedala welcomes you to VC Tech Education. Today I am going to discuss regarding logical and operator. As part of logical operators are of three and or not. Today, right now we are going to discuss regarding and operator. A program to illustrate logical and operator. A and B, two variables, three variables are taken A, B, and C, and the program is to find the greatest of three numbers. So, three numbers A, B, and C variables are taken to store the three numbers which we given as an input. A equal to int input of enter first number, B equal to int input of enter second number, C equal to int input of enter third number. So three variables are ready to accept the inputs, that is A, B and C. Once these three variables inputs are taken, then printf statement, first value you entered, that is A, second value you entered, that is B, third value you entered, that is C. Now we are going to use AND logical operator. Print the first value is greatest of three numbers, double quotes close, A greater than B and A greater than C. Here AND logical operator is used to club two conditions, that A greater than B as well as A greater than C. If these two conditions are satisfied, then it will print true at this first session. That means print first value is greatest of three numbers. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then it will print true. Next, print second value is greatest of three numbers. Greatest of three numbers we are going to use B greater than A and B greater than C. Two times we are checking B is greater than C and B, if B is greater than A, then it will print as true, else it will print as false. Next, print third statement, that is print third variable value is greater than three numbers, that is double quotes close comma, C is greater than A and C is greater than B. So here the major agenda or motto is to use the AND operator and to find the greatest of three numbers. So this is the program which we did. The final statement, print statement is thank you VC Tech Education. Now I am going to compile this particular program and check the results. So it's asking enter the first number. First number I am giving 7. Then enter the second number, small number I am giving 2. Then enter the third number, I am giving 5. So manually when we check it, 7, 2 and 5 as first, second and third numbers. 7, that is the first number, is the greatest number. Let us check. So first value is 7, second value is 2, third value is 5, first value is greatest of three numbers, it's true. Second value is greatest of three numbers, it's false. Third value is greatest of three numbers, it is also false. So by this we understood that it's checking the greatest of three numbers using the AND operator. Let us run again, which gives, where we give the second value greater than the first value. Okay, let's say 7, okay, 5, then 7, then 4. So now we can understand that the second value is the greatest. Let us check it. So the greatest value of three numbers is, first value it's false, second value it's true, third value it's false. So this is all about the greatest of three numbers program using the AND operator. Next, we'll give the third value as the greatest number and we'll check it. First value as 4, second value as 6, third value as 7, then press enter. You can see here the values. The first value is 4, second value is 6, third value is 7. First value is greatest of three numbers, it's false. Second value is greatest of three numbers, it's also false. Third value greatest of three number, it's true. Thank you, VC Tech Education. Hope you all understood this particular program. Write a program to illustrate logical and operator to get the greatest of three numbers. Hope you understood well. The assignment program for you is smallest of three numbers using logical and operator. Thank you very much. Hope you all understood well regarding this particular concept. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like it and share this. If you are not subscribed till now, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you.